Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 not working fix. I'm going to tell you how to fix your Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 if it's not working. First, check the batteries. The Instax Mini 12 requires two AA alkaline batteries, and they must be new and inserted correctly. If the camera won't turn on, replace them and make sure they're installed in the right direction. Next, make sure that the lens is fully extended. Turn the lens to power on the camera. If it's stuck halfway, the camera won't function properly. Twist it until it clicks into place. If your photo are coming out blank or too dark, make sure the film pack is loaded correctly and isn't expired. Don't open the back cover after inserting film, as this can expose it and ruin your shots. For a flashing orange light, wait a few seconds. This means the flash is charging. If it keeps flashing and won't take pictures, try replacing the batteries. If none of these steps works, reset the camera by removing the batteries for a few minutes before reinserting them.